The Ebube you used to know is dead and gone. Because I have died to my past. I do not want anyone bringing back my past.
Is it my daughter that you are calling a disgrace? Is it my daughter? Is it my daughter that you are calling a disgrace? What is wrong with you?
You slapped me!
I proposed to her before bringing her to my parents, and of course to give your blessings.
You already have my blessing.
Hey, what is your problem? I don't think I will like to meet anyone. I mean, I'm still trying to get off myself from Dimma's charcoal, and you're trying to put me to another person.
Please, my friends are not like that. Those ones, they are nice girls.
And I told you clearly, I do not have feelings for this girl.
Prince, I love you. I love you, and every word I say to you is from the deepest parts of my heart.
Started beating me and embarrassing me publicly. I mean, in front of that man. The man even tried to defend me. Ebube was still beating me, and that was how the man left.
Actually, wait.
Hold the cloth.
Wait.
Hold the cloth. Only Chaya.
Only she just.
From one end of the road to the other, looking for young people.
It's the time whenever I find her, I eat it.
Yes. Thank you, big brother. Thank you. You made me to lose 200,000.
Yes, making sure that the whole compound, everybody is ready for the return of my son.
Dimma is so desperate to become pregnant. I really don't know why. Secondly, she is not a good cook.
The queen of this land demands your presence in the palace. Pastor's food.
We mean well for you.
Baby, listen, you are my queen.
You left your father's house to come to my own father's house. You of all people, a thief like you can never step this your two tiny, dirty, disgusting legs into my father's house. I will personally look for Ebube if that will make you to be happy.
You don't call her outcast because she's low life. So I transformed her into what I want her to look like.